All right, we made it. 500 subscriber contest giveaway is gonna happen right now. This is fantastic. It's a big milestone for me and my channel, and I appreciate you guys commenting and liking and keeping my channel going. We're gonna give away this Craftsman Tool Set today, and I'm gonna show you how we're gonna do it. But first, let me talk real quick about this competition that we're doing. It was for the 500 subscriber giveaway. I had done one at 200 subscribers. We did a DeWalt drill, and there was something like 44 comments. We picked a winner. Jeff the Giraffe was the one that won that first one. So we're gonna do this contest for this Craftsman set for 500 subscribers, and then we're gonna do this again for 750 subscribers. I have a couple ideas of what the prize is gonna be, but if you guys have some ideas, maybe something that you need to help work on your projects or your car or whatever, you can comment below and we can see if we can maybe work that out. I'm kind of excited about that 750. And right now we're at like 550 subscribers or something like that right now. So we're close. We're gonna be there in no time. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you, so the site that I'm gonna use is the same one that I used last time. It's this comment picker, and it allows me to take all the comments from the YouTube video that we had. I can load them up in here and it'll randomly pick one. And that's what we did last time and it worked out great, so we're gonna do it again here. So we're gonna go over to the video for the contest that I had done last week, and we're gonna grab the URL, copy that, come back to this comment picker page, and we're gonna paste it here in the where it says enter YouTube video URL. That T3 UK, that's the same video so we got the same one here, so we're good there. Now we're gonna scroll down. We're gonna filter out any duplicate users, include any replies to comments in case anybody replied to somebody else's comment or something. I don't wanna exclude them unfairly. Filter comments based on specific text. There's nothing we need to worry about there. We don't need to exclude anybody or blacklist any users, and then we're not gonna add any extra entries. So we're gonna click this button here. It grabs all of the YouTube comments. So we got 75 comments as of, looks like it's 2:55 p.m. on May 14th. That's when I'm doing this drawing. And now we just scroll down and we're gonna click this start button. And as soon as we click this button, it's gonna load up all of those comments and it's going to go through them and it's gonna randomly pick one. And if you guys are familiar with the last contest, this is exactly what we did, and it kind of shows a preview of all of them, and then it stops on one comment and that will be the winner. So here we go, drum roll. And let's click the button. All right, going through a whole bunch of them here, and Robin Grentis is the winner. So congratulations on this Craftsman Tool Set. It says your comment was, "Congrats on the 500 subscribers. I subscribed to your channel." Thank you, Robin. I appreciate it. Like I said in the giveaway video earlier, that you didn't need to subscribe, but I do appreciate it. It helps my channel out, and I'm glad to have you. And so here, look, it looks like we did the drawing on May 14th at 2:55 p.m. And that's it. So how this works, so Robin, what I'll have you do, my email is in my contact info for in my information page on the YouTube page. Go ahead and email me, and we'll figure out, we'll get address or however you want to get this sent to you, and whatever you want to do, we'll get that figured out. Just to cover the bases, if I don't hear from you in the next 2 weeks from now, I'm either going to redo the drawing or add it to the 750 subscriber, but I'm hoping to hear from you. The last drawing went pretty good. I heard from the winner there, and we got that drilled to him right away, and then he had it within the week. So it worked out great. So hoping that I can get this to you. All right, guys, thanks again for sticking around. This is fantastic. Another successful giveaway. Please keep your eyes peeled for the 750 subscriber giveaway. I don't know, it depends on how many subscribers, how long it takes to get there, but when that happens, I'll do just like I did here, and we'll make a video and we'll do another giveaway. And if you guys have any ideas of something that maybe you think would be a great giveaway item, comment below and we'll take a look at those. All right, thanks for sticking around. We'll see you in the next one.